5 squads. 29 guys left. I need to hit the guy, I guess.
Oh! You want an airstrike? There you go.
I wanted one. I didn't know where to put it though.
He's right here, fighting.
Oh my god, jump scare!
Oh, pick me apart.
Calmest person ever, right?
Get down, lay down. Thank you.
Oh wow, a fucking shotgun. Use that smoke.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, my game locked up.
Come on, I'll switch mags.
Bye, bye, bye.
I got kicked out of the game.
Revive now.
Ritual, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
I got kicked from the game and booted.
I'm giving him the what for it.
Alright, well, you guys have a good night. I'm off.
Later, bro.
See you.
I had no ammo,
Gracious.
evidently. That's alright. All for the team. Got everybody brought back.
This fucker with the shotgun. Holy shit. Fuck that.